Hello kids, today we're doing a Mentos experiment with Mirinda.
Let's see the packet. There we go, Mirinda. Fizzy drink, guys. And what else are we doing with it?
Experimenting!
Yeah, with the other thing, which is... What's the other thing in your other hand? Show the kids.
Mentos!
Mentos, guys, right. So let's go ahead with the experiment. We've got a bowl here. We're doing this outside. There's a reason for that. Yes.
It's a dangerous experiment.
Yeah, and definitely probably going to be messy, we hope.
Yeah, it is a messy.
Okay, great. So,
I took it out.
first step. That's all right. We pour the Mentos into the bowl.
Soda.
Yeah, and then we add the soda, right? Thank you. I'm just being handed one here now. So, okay.
It's hard to get them out.
Here we go. Let's get all the Mentos in there, guys.
This one's hard. Because
Oh, they're popping out.
mine's not.
Oh dear, have you eaten one? Oh, it's grass. He's eating grass. Oh well. Taking it out of his mouth.
Yeah, I've got one stuck in here, kids.
Oh, don't worry about one. Just carry on with the rest of them.
Oh, how
Let's get the paper out.
Oh. Ew.
Okay, there we go. I've got a few Mentos in there. How many do you reckon are in there? Guys, we should leave some comments for how many you think are going to be in there at the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've still got more kids picked out.
Okay, we ready?
No, we're not ready, kids.
Can you tell I'm excited
I'm very excited.
to see what happens?
I'm very
Are you? Who else is excited? Finished? Good. Well, that's finished. Right.
We're not finished yet.
We're not ready yet. We're not ready. We're nearly there. Nearly there.
Ugh.
How many Mentos does it take
I've only got one more.
to cause an overflow?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
I've got a cracked one.
What do you say, kids? Do you reckon, Ion, do you reckon we should shake it first? No, shake the Fanta.
Uh-oh.
The Mirinda, I mean.
Yeah, let's
The
shake
soda.
it.
Let's make it a more interesting experiment.
Butter.
Okay. That is fine. Now, everybody stand back. Come here, Shani. Oh, you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's
Hey, Dara.
already going to be quite fizzy because we have shaken it. So we're going to hold it over there. Pull the cap a bit more. Pour it over. Guys, can you see what's happening? It is fully frothy.
And it was fitting. Whoa, it changed colour, kid!
It changed colour. Wow.
This. Yeah, this.
Yeah. It looks like an interesting sort of orange. It is orange still. It's just a bit more milky, isn't it? From the white of the Mentos. So what do you reckon, guys? Do you think we could do a bigger explosion than that next time? Or did you like that frothy foam? Comment in it below. Would
Oh
you
my
drink
God.
it? Would you drink
There
it?
was a Mento come out of it.
Ayan,
Yeah.
there was a Mento coming out of the can, guys.
Yeah.
Ayan, do you want to try drinking it? See what it tastes like?
Okay. Ew, disgusting.
There you go, guys. Ayan has said that he thinks it is disgusting.
Kind of good.
It might be fun to do.
Kind of good.
What's that?
I got Mentos.
Cool. Give us a thumbs up, guys.
Yeah. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. And subscribe to our channel. And
See you
hit that bell. Bye. Boop. Mother, Dad.